Here I have LG G4 and let me show you how to take a screenshot on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be simply the calendar, and let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, volume down and power key. Let's hold down together those two keys just for 2 seconds, let me show you. As you can see, you just captured the screen. Let me show you again. Let's hold down simultaneously those two keys just for 2 seconds and you just save the screen. So now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you need to open the screenshot folder. You can do it by using upper bar and by tapping screenshot captured, or you may also accomplish that by using the home screen and by finding and selecting the gallery. Here choose the screenshot folder, let's choose your screenshot, and now you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following picture. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.